I think putting makeup on your eyes is a really difficult thing. One thing that a lot of Asian girls worry about is how to not make their eyes look puffy. So this is my secret weapon. Hi, I get a lot of messages and DMs regarding eye makeup all the time, or when I'm doing my lives on Facebook. A lot of you ask questions regarding eye makeup. I think putting makeup on your eyes is a really difficult thing, and it takes time for you to know what works best for yourself. So for this vlog, I just want to share with you guys some simple tips and tricks of the trade on how you do eye makeup for Asian eyes. So for this vlog, I'm not going to be doing any sharing on your foundation or your lips or your blush, purely your eyes. I have a small tip to share. If you want the eyeshadow to just adhere to your eyelids a little bit better so the color pops a bit more, I normally add a little bit of foundation using my fingers to kind of press it on, like so. One thing that a lot of Asian girls worry about is how to not make their eyes look puffy, because a lot of us don't have a really nice and defined eye socket area around here. So basically, we need to do some shading to contour this part of our eyes here. I would opt for brushes this shape for this area. You can use any sort of neutral tone, like a nude brown color, a beige brown color, a coral kind of brown color would work really well. So on the corner of our eyes here, I recommend using just maybe a tone or maybe 1 or 2 tones darker just to contour the corner of our eyes here. Just pat it on like this ever so slightly to 1/3 of your eyes. So now we are going to apply eyeshadow on the remaining 2/3 of our eye from the front corner of our eyes here. Opt for another nude tone color that has a little bit of shimmer and lighter than the previous 2 tones. Now, because I've used a shimmery eyeshadow on the front here, I don't recommend using anything too shimmery on our brow bone here. I would recommend using a color that's very close to your skin tone. Next up is eyeliner. When it comes to eye makeup, eyeliner is super important. How you shape your eyeliner, how thick you draw your eyeliner on, what type of eyeliner you use can really define your whole eye makeup look. This is super personal. It really comes down to the shape of your eyes and what you like. For example, for myself, I find that whenever I smile, my eyes elongate. So I don't like doing super long eyeliner because I feel like it makes my eyes look longer and it makes me look more fierce. What I like to do is I like to shape my eyes rounder so it makes me look more approachable, and at the same time it makes me look younger as well. So what I like to do is softly apply black or dark brown eyeshadow right on the center of my eyes here and give it a little shading so my eyes would look rounder. So I'm shaping my eyes to look a bit rounder. So I have no liquid eyeliner on yet, as you can see. Then I'm going to use eyeliner and I'm going to complete the rest of my eyes. From the front corner where the tear ducts are of my eyes to the back corner of my eyes, I've kept my eyeliner super fine. So there are several reasons why I draw a super fine eyeline. First of all, for myself, I really like the natural type of look. I don't like anything too bold or too strong unless I'm doing something super dramatic where I go for like a super duper bold eyeline that goes with my outfit that day. If you were to apply a super bold eyeline, then you would probably go less on the eyeshadow. Use a very simple color or just a very plain nude color. Secondly, It's because with a lot of Asian eyes, our double eyelids aren't that apparent. And the distance of the fold here from your eyelashes to the top of your eye fold there is quite narrow. If you were to draw a very, very thick eyeline, it would only make your eyelids look heavier. This is what I mean. Moving on to mascara. I have a few tricks with curling your eyelashes and making the curl stay a little bit longer. What I like to do first is apply a little bit of mascara onto your naked lashes. Then comes the curler. So this is my secret weapon. I always use an electric curler to do the final shaping because my eyelashes are so stiff and they drop so quickly. Finally, I like to use a mascara with a comb just to brush out my lashes a bit more. So if you have very full bottom lashes, it looks super nice to put some mascara down the bottom as well, just to contour your eyes a bit more. But for myself, I don't have a lot of eyelashes down the bottom, unfortunately, so I just leave it out. It's this brush again. When you get to this step, you kind of realize, hey, my eyeshadow doesn't look as bright or the color isn't as apparent as before. It's completely normal because we've been brushing a lot around the eyes and some of the eyeshadow does come off. Also, with the natural oils in our skin, the color of the eyeshadow kind of blends in a little bit more and then it kind of blends into your complexion as well. So there you have it, my tips for doing makeup for your eyes. I hope you found it useful and I hope you've enjoyed the vlog.